Hello and welcome to Mugambi Reviews. The Volkswagen Golf was born in 1974, and just like fine wine, it has been aging gracefully. The Volkswagen Golf is to the hatchback what the Mercedes-Benz S-Class is to the limos, or what the iPhone is to the phone. So basically this car sets the pace for all other hatchbacks in its segment. Since then, the Golf has produced around 4 generations. They start from the Mark 4, which runs from 1997 all the way to 2002. Then the Mark 5 from 2002 to 2006. Then the Mark 6 from 2006 to 2012. Then the Mark 7, which is this one, runs from 2012 to 2018. And then the Mark 8, which is the latest, that runs from 2019 all the way to the present. The Golf competes in the C segment or compact class. Its major competitors in the Kenyan market are the likes of Mazda Axela, Toyota Auris, BMW 116i. The Volkswagen we're reviewing today is a 2014 model TSI. As we're going to find out later, the Volkswagen has some variants. There's the TSI, then the GTI, which is a bit more spec'd and more performance oriented, and we have the Golf R. Also, if you are looking at practicality, the Golf has the Golf variant, which has a bit of a bigger boot space as compared to the Golf hatchback. At the front, you can notice the chrome strip that runs into the headlights, which make this car look very, very aggressive. Also, you'll notice the LED headlamps, which have daytime running lights as well. You'll also notice the headlamp washers that makes this car feel premium. Also, a nice Volkswagen badging. It's very sentimental. Volkswagen means people's car, and the Volkswagen are reminding you that this is a people's car. Also, you have fog lights to help you be visible during foggy situations. Side profile of this car, you'll notice it's long. The wheelbase is long, and that translates to the room inside of the car. So this Volkswagen Golf is actually longer and bigger inside compared to the previous generation, thanks to the extended wheelbase. It's also important to notice that this car is lighter, 100 kgs lighter than the previous generation, and that in turn improves on the fuel economy of the car. The back of the Golf looks very, very nice. It looks like a Golf. It has improved LED tail lamps. You'll also notice the rear windshield wiper. Also, this Volkswagen logo is the release to the trunk, and also it acts as a camera when you're reversing. Does like this, so as to reveal the camera and help you as you are parking. So you can notice some badgings over here at the back. Of course, the Golf badging. Over here we have Blue Motion. Blue Motion is a series of technology by Volkswagen to help improve the fuel consumption and also increase the power output. You can also notice the TSI badging, and if you're keen, you can see the S and I are in red. So what does that mean? We'll start with when you see a Golf with TSI all in silver, it means that's a 1.2 liter and it's turbocharged. When you see the I only is red, that means it's a 1.4 liter turbo. When you see the S and I are in red, it means the car is a 1.4 turbocharged and also supercharged. When you see it's TSI all in red, it means that's a 2 liter turbocharged engine, basically the same engine as the Volkswagen Golf GTI. We are looking at a 1400cc TSI. TSI to mean turbocharged stratified injection. This engine is 4-cylinder and it produces about 147 horsepower. That is very, very good for such a size for this class. So the power is quite a lot. One thing about this engine is that it can sense if you don't need enough power, and it will shut down 2 cylinders, and that will really improve on the fuel consumption. Mated to this engine is a 7-speed DSG. DSG to mean direct shift gearbox. So the 7-speed DSG is quite a nice gearbox because it shifts gears very fast, which maximizes on the power and reduces the fuel consumption. However, the DSG is one of the major setbacks of the Volkswagen Golf. So this car is actually not forgiving on poor maintenance like its Japanese rivals. The DSG gearbox has elaborate procedures that you should adhere to, otherwise it will develop problems. Sorry viewers, we will not be able to do the interior. The yard has some regulations, time imesonga, so we have to wrap it up. As usual, kwa Mugambi reviews, we have to have a parting shot. The car looks nice. Generally the car looks good, and also it's a compact car. If you're in the market for a small car, this is perfect for you. Number 2, the car is easy on fuel, provided that you don't push it so hard. Number 3, the car is very powerful. Especially this one is both turbocharged and supercharged, so it can really thrash most cars on the road. However, the only setback is the DSG gearbox, but if you are keen on the maintenance, you should have a smooth ride with it. So thank you for watching Mugambi Reviews. Until next time.